A maintenance log or a sheet is a document used to track and record maintenance activities performed on equipments, machineries, vehicles, or other assets. It serves as a comprehensive record of maintenance tasks, including repairs, inspections, servicing, and replacements. It's like a diary for keeping track of all work done to keep things running smoothly. It tracks down when maintenance tasks were done, what was fixed, who did it, and any other important details about the condition of the equipment. In today's video, we will see how we can create a maintenance log or maintenance sheet in Excel, which will be fully automated or formulated. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Mom. Let's start the video without any delays. This is a maintenance log or maintenance follow-up log which I have already created in advance. On the top, we have got months, and months will be managed through drop-downs. After that, we have got years, and years will also be managed through drop-downs. In the format, I have highlighted few columns in grey, and the columns or cells which are highlighted in grey, the entry will be done over there manually. In the very beginning, we have got serial number, and serial number is also automated. Once we will insert some issues over here, all the things will be visible. Let me put some issues over here. Deep freezer not working, and I'll hit enter. Serial number got visible. Information date also got visible automatically. Pending from days -1. It's showing -1 because we have informed today only. On daily basis, pending from days will keep on changing. And once the work will be done, it will automatically shift to another cell. Accountable person. We have to select the accountable person from the drop down. So as soon as we selected accountable person, department and contact number of the person got visible. Store code. We have to select it from the drop down. In case you want, you can do the entry manually. Once you will select store code, store name will be visible. Ticket number, the entry will be done manually. Priority. We have to select the priority from the drop down. Low, and it got highlighted in green. Medium, it got highlighted in yellow. High, as soon as we selected high, the whole row got highlighted. And when we will select urgent, again the whole row got highlighted. Information date. Information date will be visible as soon as we will insert some issues over here. We will come to right hand side. Completion date. When the issue will be resolved or the work will be done, we have to insert the completion date manually. I'll put a random date over here and I'll hit enter. But before hitting the enter, let's see something. Currently we can see pending from days. Time taken in completion is blank and status is pending. But as soon as we will hit enter, pending from days got blank and it got auto shifted in time taken in completion. The status got done, and when we will come to right hand side, in comments, work not done on time. It's showing work not done on time because we haven't select target date for completion. Target date for completion will be managed through drop downs. I'll click on drop down and we'll select target days as 2 days, and it's showing work done on time. So let's start creating a new sheet now. This is a blank sheet where we are going to create our format. To create the format, we will need some data, and I have kept all the data in my setting sheet. We will need months from January to December, years, name of the maintenance person, department, contact number. After that, we will need store code along with store name and priorities. In case you want to add anything more, you can. Let's go to our blank format. We will click on B4. This will be serial number. Issues, accountable person. We will manage the column size. Department, contact number, store code, store name, information date. We will press Alt and will hit enter. Now we will type date, completion date. We will come to right hand side. Pending from, we will take days in bracket. We will increase the column size. Time taken in completion. Status, target days, bracket, completion, comments. We will click on the row number and we'll take all the things in center. We will manage the column size. We will come to left side. We'll take this closer. We'll select this and we'll change the color. We'll change the font color. We'll create borders. Now we will click on B2 and we'll select C also. We'll merge the cells. We'll select merge cells and D also. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. We'll change the font style and we'll increase the font size. Now we will click over here. We'll go to data, data validation. From here we will select list, source. we will go to our setting sheet and we'll select months from January to December. We'll click on OK and the drop down for months got created. We will select February. We reduce the font size. Now we will create drop down for years. We'll go to data, data validation. From here we will select list, source. We will go to setting sheet and we'll select years from top to bottom and we'll do OK. So the drop down for years got created. We'll go to home and we'll take this in center. Now we will select both and we'll create borders. We'll take this closer. Now we will select this and we'll merge together. This will be maintenance follow-up log. We'll select this and we'll change the background color. We'll change the font color. We'll change the font style and we'll increase the font size. We'll come to right hand side. We'll select this and we'll put some color over here. Now we will select this and we'll put outside border. We'll go to view and we'll remove the grid lines. We'll come to left hand side. We'll click over here. We'll type 1. We'll take this in center and we'll drag till 10. I'll delete this. Now we will select this and we'll create borders. I'm just creating for 10 issues. I'll increase the column size of issues. Now I'll delete this and we'll put our formula. But before putting the formula, let's put some issues. AC not working. So the formula for automated serial number will be plus or equal to subtotal, bracket open. Here we have got many options like average, count, count A and many more. I'll select number 3, count A, comma. What we have to count? We have to count issues. So we will click over here on the first issue. We'll press function F4 and the cell will be logged. Issue. Here we will use circular reference. So I'll click over here on the issue once again. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we got number 1. But before dragging this down, we will have to put some more criteria. We'll go to formula bar. If bracket open issues is equal to 0, comma, we want blank in return. So I'll put double inverted comma twice for blank, comma, we'll go to end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we can drag this down. If I'll put some issue over here, number 2 got visible. I'll delete this. If I'll put issue over here, number 2 got visible. I'll show you one more thing. I'll put some issue over here. So we got 3 serial number for 3 issues. In case I'll delete the second issue, serial number got shifted automatically. I'll delete this. Accountable person. For accountable person, we will create drop down. Entry of issues and accountable person will be done manually. So we will highlight this in gray. Now we will create drop down for this. I'll click on first accountable person. We'll press shift control plus down arrow key. We'll go to data, data validation. From here I'll select list, source. I'll go to my setting sheet. We'll take this to right side. We'll click on the first name. We'll press shift control and down arrow key and we'll do OK. So the drop down for accountable person got created and the list got created till end of the file or format. I'll select a name from here. Department. I'll increase the column size. Over here we are going to use the formula of VLOOKUP. In case you want, you can use XLOOKUP too. Plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. Name of the accountable person will be our lookup value. So we will click over here. We'll press function F4 3 times, comma, table array. We will go to our setting sheet. We'll come on top. So here we have got the name of the person, department and contact number. So this is our table array. We are not going to select a range. We will select the data from top and we will select from name till contact number. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged, comma, column index number or column number. So name of the department is in column number 2 and contact number is in 3. So we want department over here. I'll put 2, comma 0, bracket close. Before hitting enter, we will insert the criteria of if error. We'll come in the very beginning of our formula bar. If error, bracket open, will come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank, bracket close and we will hit enter. So we got the department. When the name will change, department will change automatically. I'll manage the column size. Now I'll drag this to contact number also. In contact number, we can see the department. So we will have to click on the contact number. We'll have to go to formula bar and we'll change the cell reference number or column index number. So the contact was in column number 3. We will put 3 over here and we'll hit enter. We got the contact number. Now we will select both and we'll drag it down. When the name of the person will change, Department and contact number will change automatically. Store code. The entry of store code will be done manually. We will select this and we'll highlight this in gray. Now we will click just under store code. We'll press Shift, Control and down arrow key. We'll go to data, data validation. From here we will select list, source. We will go to our setting sheet. We'll take this to left side and all our store codes are over here. We will click on the first store code. We'll press Shift, Control and down arrow key and we'll do OK. So the drop down for store codes got created. We will select store number 1, store name. I'll increase the column size. Here also we will insert the criteria or formula of VLOOKUP, plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. This time store code will be our lookup value, comma, table array. We will go to our setting sheet, we'll come on top, we'll select store code and store name from top. We'll press function F4 and the cells will be logged, comma, column index number. Store code is in column number 1 and store name is in column number 2. So we will put 2 over here, comma 0 for exact match. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. But again, before hitting enter, we will insert the criteria of if error. We'll go to formula bar, if error, bracket open, we'll come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this down. Whenever we will select any specific store number or store code, we will get the name against it. I'll delete this. Information date. It will be fully automated. As soon as we will insert issues, information date should be visible. But before inserting the formulas, we will have to do certain changes. The setting for Windows will be totally different from the setting of MacBook users. So let's see settings first. If you are using MacBook, you will have to go on top. On top, you will be able to see logo of Apple, and after that you get the option of Excel. Just click on Excel, Preferences. Over here, you will get the option of Calculation. Click over here. In the center, the option is of Use Iterative Calculation. In case you will be able to see 1, it's OK. In case you will be able to see 100, do it 1. There's no option of OK, so directly close this. Now we will see the settings for Windows users. Windows users will get the option of File on the extreme left hand side. Once you will click on File, you will get the option of General, Formulas, Data and so on. So you have to click on Formulas. Once you will click on Formulas, you have to go on Enable Iterative Calculation. Over here it's written 100. Just delete this and put 1 and do OK. And once this setting is done, you can put the formula. And the formula will be plus or equal to if, bracket open, we will come to right hand side. We'll click just under pending from days is equal to blank, comma. If this will be blank, what we want now. So I'll type now, bracket open, bracket close, comma. We'll select pending from days once again. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got some random figure over here. We will click over here. We'll right click the mouse, format cells. We'll take this up. We'll go to date and we'll select a desired date format and we'll do OK. We'll take this in center. We will go to formula bar and we'll insert one more criteria of if. If, bracket open, we'll come to left hand side. Issues is not equal to. For not equal to, we will put smaller than, greater than, not equal to blank. For blank, we will put double inverted comma twice, comma. We will come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice, bracket close and we will hit enter. Now if we will delete issues, it got blank. And whenever we will put some issues, it will be visible. I'll put some issue, enter, and information date got visible automatically. Let's come to right hand side. Completion date. The entry for completion date will be done manually. So I'll highlight this in gray. Pending from days. Before putting the formula over here, I'll insert 2 more columns after store name. This will be ticket number or issue number and this will be priority. We'll adjust the column size. Ticket number. The entry for ticket number will be done manually. So we will highlight this in gray. Priority. We will create drop down for this. We'll click just under priority. We'll press Shift, Control and down arrow key. We'll go to data, data validation. From here we will select list, source. We will go to settings and we'll select our priorities from here. In case you want to add more priorities, you can. Now we will do OK and the drop down list got created. We will select the whole sheet. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here we will type low. We'll click on the drop down and we'll select yellow fill with dark yellow text and we'll do OK. We'll go to conditional formatting once again, highlight cell rule, equal to, and this time we will type medium. We'll select a desired color and we'll do OK. Now we have to highlight high and urgent priority, but we are not going to highlight the specific cell. We will highlight the whole row. We'll come to left side, we'll click on the first issue and we'll select till priority. We'll go to conditional formatting, new rule. From here we will select classic. In case you are using Windows, you will not get the option of classic. You will just be diverted to next step, and our next step will be use a formula to determine which cells to format. Click over here and now we have to insert our formula, and the formula will be plus or equal to, we will click on first priority, we'll remove the dollar from center, is equal to double inverted comma high double inverted comma close. We'll click on the drop down and we'll select light red fill with dark red text and we'll do OK. So the whole row got highlighted. We'll go to conditional formatting once again, manage rules, we'll click on the rule of high and we'll duplicate the rule. Now we will click on edit rule, we'll remove high from here and we'll type urgent and we'll do OK. OK. So the whole row of urgent got highlighted. If we will select urgent from here, this will be highlighted. I'll undo this. We'll come to right hand side. Pending from days. So the formula for pending from days will be plus or equal to today bracket open bracket close minus information date and we will hit enter. We'll click over here and we'll take this in center. Now we will right click the mouse. We'll go to format cells. We'll take this up and we'll select general. We'll do OK. So we got 0 over here. We will insert few more criterias over here. We'll go to formula bar. If bracket open information date is equal to blank, for blank we will insert double inverted comma twice, comma. If it will be blank, we want blank in return. So we will put double inverted comma twice once again, comma. We'll come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We will put one more criteria over here. We'll go to formula bar. If bracket open completion date is not equal to, for not equal to we will put smaller than greater than, not equal to blank means we will put double inverted comma twice, comma. In return also we want blank, comma. We'll come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now whenever we will put completion date and we'll hit enter, pending from days got vanished. We'll take this in center. We'll select this, we'll right click the mouse, format cells, we'll take this up, we'll go to date and we'll select a desired date format. We'll right click the mouse once again, format cells, we'll take this up, we'll go to custom, we'll remove 2y from here and we'll remove 1m and we'll do OK. So we got 16th Feb 24. So pending from days is done. We will drag this down. Time taken in completion. So the formula will be plus or equal to completion date minus information date and we will hit enter. We'll remove decimal places and we'll take this in center. Before dragging this down, we will insert the criteria of if. We'll go to formula bar. If bracket open completion date is equal to 0, comma. If it will be 0, we want blank in return. So we will put double inverted comma twice, comma. We'll come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this down. So if the completion date will be blank, it will be showing in pending from days. And when the completion date will be there, it will be showing in time taken in completion. Means it will auto shift from one cell to another. Status. The formula will be plus or equal to if bracket open pending from days is equal to blank. For blank we will insert double inverted comma twice, comma. If pending from days will be blank, we want to show done. So we will put double inverted comma done, double inverted comma close, comma. If bracket open time taken in completion is equal to blank, if this will be blank, comma, we want pending. So we will put double inverted comma pending, double inverted comma close, bracket close and we will hit enter. So we got done over here. Before dragging it down, we will put one more criteria. We'll go to formula bar. If bracket open information date is equal to blank, comma. In return also we want blank. So I'll put double inverted comma twice, comma. We'll come to the end. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this down. We'll leave it selected. We'll go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here I'll type done. We'll click on the drop down, customized format. We'll go to fill. And from here I'll select a desired color, green, font as black and we'll do OK. OK. We'll go to conditional formatting once again, highlight cell rule, equal to, and this time I'll type pending. We'll click on the drop down, customized format, we'll go to fill, From here I'll select red color, font color as white, and we'll do OK. So when it will be pending, it will get highlighted in red, and when it will be done, it will be highlighted in green. Target days for completion. We will create drop down over here. We'll press Shift, Control and down arrow key. We'll go to data validation. From here we will select list. Source, we will type from 0 till 10. In case you want to put more figures, you can, and we'll do OK. So the drop down list for target days got created. I'll select 1 over here. We'll take this in center. We'll drag this down. Perfect. Comments. We will come to right hand side. Plus or equal to, if bracket open, information date is equal to blank, comma. If information date will be blank, we want this cell to be blank. So we'll put double inverted comma twice once again, comma. If bracket open, completion date is equal to 0, comma, double inverted comma, take follow up, double inverted comma close, comma. If bracket open, time taken in completion is smaller than or equal to target days, comma, double inverted comma, work done on time, double inverted comma close, comma. If bracket open, time taken in completion is greater than or equal to target days, comma, double inverted comma, work not done on time, double inverted comma close. We'll close the bracket till it doesn't get black, and we'll hit enter. Now we will select this. We'll go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here we will type take follow up. We'll click on the drop down and we'll select yellow fill. We'll do OK. We'll go to conditional formatting once again, highlight cell rule, equal to, and this time we will type work done on time. We'll click on the drop down and we'll select green color. We'll do OK. We'll go to conditional formatting for the last time, highlight cell rule, equal to, this time we will type work not done on time. We'll select red color this time and we'll do OK. We'll come to left hand side and our format is ready now. When you'll have to create the new format, just delete the things from gray part, because the entry of gray part will be done manually. Let's highlight priority in gray and delete this. We will highlight this also and we'll delete it. So the format is ready for the use now. I'll provide link of this file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.